Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned about the problems on the concave mirror. Today, we'll be learning about the problems on the convex mirror. Okay, children? Right. Coming to the problem. Note on this problem. An object 5 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. Of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Position and size of the image. Okay, here children, just see the problem. An object height is 5 centimeter. It is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. Okay, of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Okay, first we will write what is given. Here, object height is there. Height of the object that is equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, here object distance is given. Object distance is 10 centimeter. And here radius of curvature is given. Radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. Okay, radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. And here what mirror it is? It is the convex mirror. For a convex mirror, what are the sign conventions? For a convex mirror, the sign conventions are U is negative. The remaining all are positive. Only U is negative. Therefore, what is the object distance? Minus. The remaining positive. But here, radius of curvature. But here, in the mirror formula, we are not having of the radius of curvature. We are having of focal length. But there is a relationship between the focal length and radius of curvature. That is, R is equals to 2F. And here, F is equals to R by 2. Therefore, what is F? F is equals to 30 by 2. That is equals to 15 centimeter. Plus 15 centimeter. It is the plus 15 centimeter. Now what is he asking? He is asking to find the nature, position and size of the image. He is asking that position of the image. Image means here he is asking the image distance. He is asking the height of the image. Okay, and nature of the image. Therefore first we will find the image distance. Here image distance. Okay children, image distance. To find the image distance, we use the mirror formula. 1 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V, or 1 by V plus 1 by U. 1 by V plus 1 by U. Okay, the mirror formula is 1 by F plus 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Here V we don't know. Okay, height of F, how much? Here 15. 1 by 15 is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. U is minus 10. Minus 1 by 10. Normally we won't write the minus in the denominator place. Therefore we will write it as minus 1 by 10. We want the value of V. Therefore 1 by V is equals to 1 by 15 as it is. Plus into minus is minus, no? Minus 1 by 10. Transposing to that side becomes less 1 by 10. Therefore, what is the LCM of these two, 15 and 10? 30. 30 is the LCM. If you do, you'll get the 30 as the LCM. 15 2s are 30, plus 10 3s are 30. Therefore, 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 5 by 30. 1 by V is equal to 5 by 30. V is equal to 30 by 5. That is equal to 6 centimeter. 5 6 are 30. It is for plus 6 centimeter. Okay. What we got? Plus 6 centimeter. Now what is he asking? He is asking to find out the what? Height of the image also. Height of the image by height of the object is equals to minus V by A. Mirror formula, no? Minus V by A. Height of the image, do we know? No, we should find height of the object. How much it is? 5 centimeter. Is it plus 5 or minus 5? Height of the object, always object is placed above the principal axis, therefore plus 5. Therefore plus 5, that is equals to minus V by U. What is the value of V here? Here we got the value of V as 6 and the value of U is minus 10. Therefore minus minus cancel. Height of the image is equal to 6 into 5 by 10. That is 5 ones, 5 twos, 2 ones, 2 threes. Height of the image is equals to 3 centimeters. Height of the image is equals to what? 3 centimeters. It is plus 3 or minus 3? Plus 3 we got. Okay, plus 3 means above the principal axis. Okay, height of the image is equal to 3 centimeters. We got the height of the image as 3 centimeters. Okay, and here what is the nature of the image in the convex mirror? Nature of the image is here. Is it a diminished or a height of the object is 10 centimeter? Sorry, height of the object is 5 centimeter. Height of the image is 3 centimeter. It is diminished. Here we are getting plus, no? Therefore virtual, erect, and here the object is placed between P and F. Image is formed between P and F. This is the nature of the image form. Okay, this is the nature of the image form. Okay, right. Have you understood, children? Just we can see over there, height of the image is height of the object given, object distance given, radius of curvature given. From the radius of curvature, we can get focal length. That is f is equal to r by 2. Therefore, by using of the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, that is the mirror formula, we get v is equal to plus 6 and height of the image we are getting it as plus 3 centimeter. Therefore, from that we can say, as we are getting of plus sign, we say it is a virtual image. Always virtual image is an erected image, and here it is giving of a smaller image, therefore it is a diminished image, and the image is formed between the P and the F. Okay, children, this is about the problem of this one. Next children, one more problem, children. Just look at here. Are you following, children? If you are having any doubts, anything, you can comment me. Okay, in the notebook or even in the link whatever that is given in the YouTube. Okay, right. Next, an object is placed at a distance of 6 centimeter. An object is placed at a distance of 6 centimeters. Children, these problems are also very, very important. Why? Because sometimes they are asking, not sometimes, most of the time they are asking the problems also. The problems are very, very important in physics, and they are important in the exam point of view. They are important for your examination also from this chapter. Therefore, you should practice these problems, because you should not neglect these problems. Okay, an object is placed at a distance of 6 centimeter from a convex mirror from a convex mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. Of focal length 12 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. He is asking only to find the position. Position means image. Find the position and nature of the image. Nature. Whether they ask the nature or not, compulsory we should write the nature of the image. Compulsory. Whenever when you are drawing the ray diagrams, or whenever when you are drawing of the problem, when you are solving the problem, compulsory you should give the nature of the image. Okay, children? Right. Here an object is placed at a distance of 6 centimeter. U is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Is it plus U or minus U? Convex. Minus. Your sign convention always compulsory, that it is minus. The object distance is minus. Focal length is 12 centimeter. Plus or minus? Plus. Okay, children. Next, to find the position and nature of the image. Here he is asking to find out the position, means V, how much? 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Here 1 by V we don't know. We should find 1 by V. 1 by 12, that is equals to plus of minus 1 by 6. Therefore we get 1 by V minus 1 by 6 is equals to 1 by 12. Transposing this minus 1 by 6 that side, we get 1 by V is equals to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6. LCM is 12. 12 1s are 12. 1, 6, 2s are 12. Therefore 1 by V is equals to 3 by 2. Therefore V is equal to 12 by 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are. How much it is? We are getting as V is equal to plus 4 centimeter. V we are getting it as plus 4 centimeter, children. Okay. Did not give the object height, therefore no need of finding of the object height. And here object is at 6 centimeter. Okay. Just we can draw the figure, rough figure. Okay. Here okay, F C, here F C. This is a convex, no? That's why we are writing like F is equal to 12 centimeter. F 12 means C some more 12. Therefore 24 centimeter. Where the object is placed? Object is placed at 6 centimeter. Means between these two. Therefore, where the image is formed, image is also formed 4 centimeter, means less than 12, no? Image is also formed over here, somewhere here. Okay. Therefore, here nature of the image, as we are getting of plus virtual. Virtual means erect. Virtual image, erect image. Okay. Smaller size or bigger size? Diminished or enlarged? Here it is. Okay. We don't know. Here it is not given, but normally for a convex mirror always we get the diminished image. Diminished image, and image is formed between P and F. Image formed between P and F. Between P and F. This is how we should solve the problem of the convex mirror, children. Okay, this is how we should solve the problem of the convex mirror. Okay, children. Right, the remaining problems we'll be learning later in the next class. Thank you.